Just rolling on through from the corner. Absolutely am. 122 northeast corner, state of Maine, waving.
You said you got a razor for that nappy beard. I'll see you. Bye-bye. Indiana gone.
Yardbird, a Yardbird, 122, a Yardbird, 122 Maine, we're waving that way. Absolutely, sir. Sounding good over here in the corner.
Take it all out, man. I'm losing Mother Nature on y'all. A 122 started taking my radio over, and I'm losing my Mother Nature on you and two guns. Hey, man, come on out here, Jazz. You said somebody was too short or something. I couldn't pull it out. Rooster's right back. I'll see it.
Man, you guys got the hammer down here on the coast.
Audio. There goes. About that, DX-Land. About that.
Just rolling on through, no doubt. 122 northeast corner, state of Maine. Looking down the coast, waving at old Sam Powell.
Man, we got good ears down here.
Hey, waving at you, Rooster. Absolutely, I'm looking south there, Rooster, no doubt. But hey, you're showing up. Got a talk show up here in the corner, Rooster, no doubt. But old conditions are shifting around on me. Hey, Rooster, 122. We're waving right back, sir.
Yeah, definitely.
Get up out of here, got some stuff to do, got to get out here and take care of these chickens. Have a good day, Mr. 122. Rooster in Tennessee, I'll see you.
Right back at you, Rooster, right back at you. Always good hearing you rolling through the receive. 122 Maine, back out. Bye-bye. Where'd that watchmaker go? Where'd that watchmaker go on the pile? 122, we're looking.
Guns, before I get out of here, I'm going to roll that 5. Hey, Judgment, I want to roll that 5. Hey, two guns, you said free haircuts at Fat Boy, free haircuts at Fat Boy. You said tell Jazz Man to come on down and get him one because you're giving away free haircuts at Fat Boy. I'll see you now. Bye-bye-bye.
Hey, number one, a real pistol. Silver Eagle running a buddy basic.
Audio.
Had that fucking hammer down that time. No doubt about it, man.
Woo. About that DX-Land. About that. Hey, Jazz Man, you said that must be why two guns is always that Fat Boy. You said he can't keep hair on his head or pills in his box. God. Hey, Jazz.
Silver Eagle, I think you said Mississippi is showing up in Maine. Absolutely are. 122, bumping it down, trying to let you know.
Roger, number one, take care. I'm waving at BTK right back.
All right, Jazz, I'm getting out of here, man. Y'all have a good day. I'm gonna hit the high voltage off on this stuff and let the filaments run for a bit. I'll put it on y'all later. Jazz, man, I'll have a hell of a good time. Hey, have a good day. Rooster in Tennessee. I'll see you.
Have a good day, Rooster. Hey, Rooster, have a good day. Absolutely a pleasure copying that old talk show of yours, Rooster. 122 state of Maine, waving. Bye.
In there. 612. Rooster up there. All right, Jazz, have fun working on your 2-element beam, and you said tell two guns free haircuts, but the pills ain't free. All right, Jazz, man, have a good one, man. I'll see you. Bye-bye. Hey, 612.
612, Ohio, sounding good in the corner. 122 Maine, trying to let you know, sir.
About that DX land, 400 around Maine, 400 Maine. Hey, Detroit. Hey, let me say something up at Detroit. Look, man. You got my receive all tied up down here in Detroit.
Well, 612, you have yourself a good day, better tomorrow. I just wanted to bump it down and let you know that you're showing up in Maine. Absolutely are. Hey, 612, 122 Maine, letting you know. Getting back out of the road. Bye-bye-bye.
Hey, 429 Indiana Way, 309 Indiana. Say good evening. I'm back out. 9 in this bluegrass. I'm looking.
Sounds like the state of Indiana just rolled through the state of Maine. Absolutely. 747-309-429. All of you over there in Indiana just rolled to the receive up here in the corner. 122, state of Maine, bumping it down, letting you know. 309, we're going to bump it down, wave the hand at you, sir, let you know you absolutely keep showing up in the corner, and it's rough conditions today. So, hey, 309, I tell Mother Nature shining down on you. 122, state of Maine, bumping it down, not trying to kick it back, sir.
Roger, roger. 309, Indiana. 309, back out.
Right back at you, 309, right back at you. Yourself a good one. Always a good hearing you rolling on through. 122 back out of the road. Bye-bye-bye.
22 Maine's made it rough. Pretty hard for anybody to get through that. 122 Maine. It's going out around that bluegrass, but not in this.
Hey, John woke up mine. He was strong.
Oh, man, there's 2550, I think he said. That's the bad news. 747 Indiana way.
And 122 Mississippi's hollering at you.
I heard a 225.
Ooh, I don't have a copy on Mississippi, sir.
Why not make
You got North Carolina.
it hard on my receive? Man, he takes all my receive out when he comes. That mobile was rough. I took down near the Emerald Coast this morning. Nobody shot him in the mobile. Said, I'm saying I'm 309. Indiana, break. That's my second beat. That long, irritating beat.
I get 122 got all the gear stations. I don't want to hear nobody.
The irritating beep in it. I wanted to get it.
Oh, we don't have a gator station. It's just getting rough. I have a pile up. You just floated to the top. Bringing them back. 122 Maine. Hey, we got you.
Noise. I got my feet. You're breaking my deal. Are you doing a good job?
That's good sounding beat.
Up to 30. But anyway, I gotta say it, yo. Six 12,
conditions are moving around everywhere. Absolutely. Our 122 Maine letting you know.
Hey, 122. Hey, 122, you still looking at me? Yeah, 309, back down. More than a phone call.
You gonna get across the country.
Was that a truck that rolled on through? I got a big old pile up here in the corner. Absolutely do. 122 trying to let you know.
Full channel there. See if I can't get a hold of